Okay, we just got our embroidery machine in. 15 needle, single head, and we are gonna unbox. Go ahead, pop off that cleat, Gigi. Okay, hand it off to the next person.
I'm surprised that didn't go launching at me.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
How was that?
The hell's that vital?
There's one more on this side.
There is?
Yeah, there's one more.
Okay, can you get it, my guy?
No,
I wanna get it.
no, but
I wanna get it.
I want to do it.
I wanna do it.
Let Gigi get it because he asked to do it.
Inside, I never did one on the side.
Okay.
Qua, can you collect all the clips?
Yeah.
Collect them and put them on the stool over there. All right, take them all off.
That's controllable.
Okay, Tenan, can you take off the lid? Qua, help her. Lift it up and set it on the ground. Oh, there she is. Okay, Gigi, can you pull this piece off? Yeah, slide that up. Don't drop it on the machine. Put it on the floor over there with the other pieces. Over there.
Gee, are you like?
Qua, grab this piece.
No,
Pull it away from the box.
Stop doing everything.
Okay. Tenan, take that piece off.
Gee, you're literally making like.
Okay, here it is.
Making...
Wow. Gigi, can you take this piece out?
I might have slider.
Whoa, this thing is huge. There it is.